Hi friends, welcome to DIYs with Nosh. Today we are designing a letterboard with a modern spin. I have heaps of photo frames of various sizes. Some are damaged, some are chipped, and some don't even have a back support, while some have only a back support. So in the past, I have shared several ways to upcycle a damaged photo frame. Today I'm sharing how to upcycle the back support of a photo frame. I've cut 8 strips of cardboard with 2 centimeters width, and now I'm checking where I'll be placing these strips at what distance, which was 5 centimeters actually. This here is our back support of a photo frame. This is all that was left of the photo frame. I assume it must have broken during the transportation or something. So the first step is I've taken this contact paper, marble contact paper from Dollar Tree, and I'm just going to cut this part out. Next, I'm going to glue the two cardboard strips so that in total I'll be having 4. I'm doing that because I need to have a larger width so that the blocks can sit on it. Now I don't have Scrabble blocks, otherwise I would have been more than happy to use the Scrabble squares. Now I'm going to wrap these cardboard strips in the contact paper you just saw, the brown one. First I'm going to stick this one here, wrap it up in that. It's more like you know how you wrap a gift or wrap a book. That's exactly how I'm going to wrap it, but not completely. I don't need to do the back so much. It's really important to get rid of the air bubbles. And just like that, our base is ready now. I'm going to trim out a little bit. Now if you want to add a little bit of glam, you can use this gold paint as well. But what I'm going to do now is take these strips, the 4 of them, and wrap them up in the brown contact paper. And I'm going to wrap them just like you'd wrap a gift. And once that's done, I'm going to measure the distance and then place them or glue them, hot glue them, as well as use some E6000 and stick them on the base. You know, I absolutely love such projects where everything is recycled, you know, the cardboard as well as the photo frame. Something that would have been tossed into the garbage is actually going to be home decor right now. And it turned out so beautiful. So my favorite projects are like these ones, the trash to treasure ones. In fact, the only thing that I've actually used is the stickers from Dollar Tree and this wrapping contact paper. Wrapping paper, contact paper, whichever else you can call it. But I absolutely love such projects. So right now I've just wrapped them up. I think I've got 2 more to go. And then I'm going to stick it onto the base. Friends, if you're visiting me for the first time today, my name is Nosh. And in my channel, I share a whole lot of DIYs, home decor crafts, makeovers, and my occasional Dollar Tree or Dollarama shopping hauls. So if those are the kind of things that you dig, then I suggest you should subscribe to my channel. And if you like this video, I would love it if you could give it a thumbs up or and also don't forget, if you're going to subscribe, please press the bell icon so that you get notified every time I upload a video. Now coming back to the project at hand, these are the blocks that this is a foam sheet that I'm cutting small rectangles out of. The plan was initially to take the blue alphabets. These are wooden alphabets, tiny wooden alphabets, which you could call woodsies, and the plan was to place those on these foam blocks. However, I changed my mind later on. I felt the white stickers which come from Dollar Tree are far better and less complicated, I suppose. Yeah. So right now I'm going to check how many alphabets I can place, or letters I can place in one row. It turns out I can do 5. And now I'm going to place the blocks and see at what distance I'd like to actually place these rows. I'm going to add the hot glue as well as the Yoo-hoo glue, the liquid glue, and adhere it, starting from the bottom. Moment of truth. Voila. So now you can add whichever alphabet or whichever word that you'd like, in whichever direction that you'd like on these blocks. And you could even make it a crossword actually. So with Ramadan starting just in 2 weeks time, I decided that I'd add words like pray or peace, faith. Those would be appropriate words. There's only one Arabic word that I've used, which is sabr, S-A-B-R, which actually means patience. And I think the essence of Ramadan is to teach us to be patient. So yeah, I've started using these stickers. I love these stickers from Dollar Tree, and they look so polished once these stickers are on. I'm glad I used these stickers instead of those woodsies, these alphabet woodsies. These really turned out very nice. So yeah, and that's that. Have you ever attempted something similar? I've never done something similar with a frame back support, but yeah, this is the first time for me as well. So if you like this upcycle idea, please give this video a thumbs up. And if you could share it with your friends on Facebook, that would be great as well. I'd really like it if you could subscribe to my channel and maybe leave a comment in the comment section. And yeah, that would be great. Thank you very much for dropping by today, and I hope to see you again.